Hello everyone, this is Kaizhi from iCreate Challenge 2012 team WP7 Metro. Today we would like to introduce to you our new Windows Phone 7 application, IVLE Metro. This is an IVLE web portal on Windows Phone 7 platform, and we made it in such a way that it is highly integrated with the rest of the Windows Phone 7 experience. Also, in this application, we've implemented several unique features that would help us in enhancing our productivity on our day-to-day study life. So I will just skip all these blah 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 and jump right into the demonstration. After tapping on the icon, it will bring us onto this login screen. And just to save some time, I've typed in my credentials, and yeah, just for information, I can change my domain, and of course change my username and stuff. On the bottom we have this remember me option, which you can tick to save the time of typing in your credentials one more time next time when you would like to log in. So right now I'm gonna just hit on this login button, and it will direct us to this beautiful panorama page showing the beautiful campus of NUS. And yeah, here we go, all the information are loaded. We have 3 pages here on the panorama page. And this is the modules page. We're gonna have 6 live tasks here for 6 modules. We're gonna see a stack of books on the front, and on the back of the live task we can see the module code. And let's wait for one of the tasks to flip over. Yeah, here we go. We can see on the back of the live task we have the latest announcement, title and content shown. Maybe it's not so clear here, but yes, it shows. So swipe to the left, we're gonna have a list of classes. So under this page titled calendar, we're gonna have the module codes, the class type, whether it's a lecture or tutorial. Unfortunately, it's not shown here because it's not available right now. We're gonna have the class name, which day, from which time, which 9 in the morning to 12 at noon. The class is scheduled every day, every week, or only on even week, and etc. Venue as well. Very convenient, very intuitive design. And swipe to the left again, we're gonna have this entire page for to-do items, which is one of the unique features we integrate into this application. But since this is our first time launching the application, there's no to-do right now. So, but we will come back to this feature later on. So I'm gonna just tap on this EG1310 module, and it will bring us into this page, this module page. And the very first page we'll see is module information page, where all the information relevant to this particular module will be centralized and listed here, including the module code, module title, semesters and stuff. Of course, a list of facilitators and their email addresses, and lecture groups, tutorial group, lab group information will be available if applicable, but unfortunately it's not right now. And swipe to the left, we're gonna have this web workbench page. Most likely we'll spend most of the time navigating here. We can tap on one of the folders. This is there are quite a number of folders. I'm gonna tap on this reference folder, and it will show me the entire list of files and documents. I'm gonna tap on one of the smaller ones, and it will start downloading the file. And this PDF is opened with Adobe Reader. Yeah, it works just as what you would expect it to be. So we're gonna navigate back and back to this folder, and press the back button. We are back to the root directory. So this is pretty much about the workbench. Swipe to the left, we have this announcement page whereby all the announcement from the first day to the latest one will all be listed on this page under announcement. We can tap on one of them. It's pretty similar to the email application on Windows Phone 7, so any Windows Phone user will be extremely familiar with this interface. Very intuitive, very simple. So the title here, the date and time, and of course the main body shown in the middle of the page. And down on the bottom we have a little plus sign here. It's actually a button to add this announcement as a to-do item. So this is relevant to what we didn't talk about just now, the to-do feature. So all the to-dos are related to specific announcements. So in this case, since we are browsing on this particular announcement, when we add a to-do, we can see the related announcement here is actually talk by Delphi, belonging to this module EG1310. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this to-do a name. Let's say visit Delphi, and tap on the remarks. We can add some more details like remember to register online. Yeah, this is what we would like to miss. So I'm gonna add it here as the to-do details, and I can set a deadline, let's say next Monday, so 16th of July, and I'm gonna hit on yes. So you will prompt me that this to-do item is added successfully. So I can navigate back to the announcement page. The other announcements just work the same way as you would expect it to be. So navigate back. We are here at a panorama page again, and under the to-dos, we can see this newly created to-do item, visit Delphi, remember to register online, the deadline as well, and the announcement information is always available here. So anytime you would like to refer to the original announcement, you can just scroll down and read it. Down there we have the remove button, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. And we can also press and hold to remove the to-do, but no, not for now. This is pretty much about the main features, what you would expect from a standard IVLE web application, web portal. One of the cool features we integrated with IVLE Metro is you can ping one of the modules to the start screen. So when you press and hold on one of the module live tasks, this button will pop up. You can tap on it, ping to start, and this module will be pinged to your start screen. So every time you scroll up and down, you can easily find this live task. And this live task is also updating itself with the latest announcement information. Here is to all participants, you may access whatever, I don't know, blah blah blah. And if you tap on this module tile, you can just bypass the login screen. You can bypass the panorama page and jump right into this particular module page. You can view the information. You can see all the announcements, although there's only one here. But unfortunately, because you have bypassed the login page, you are currently offline. So there's nothing to be shown here on the workbench page. If I go back and ping my main application to the start screen, we can see, yeah, it's a live tile as well. You will be updated with the latest latest to-do item. For example, yeah, we just added visit Delphi. Remember to register online. So you can pretty much achieve the same effect as you just navigate to this particular portion of the screen and you can grab the information you need. Lastly, there's also one offline function. So I'm gonna hit on this button. We don't need to wait essentially. These modules are just ready here. And of course calendar as well, to-dos are listed, and we can tap on any of the modules. We can see all the announcements and information and everything just working as like a charm. Yeah, so this is pretty much about it. If you like it, please vote for us. Our group name is WP7 Metro, and our application name is IVLE Metro. Thank you for your time, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye bye.